Want to automatically send your leads from Outgrow to Drip and keep your email marketing and automation workflows running without any manual work? In this video, we will walk through the complete Outgrow and Drip integration setup step by step and share a few best practices to ensure everything works smoothly. Let's get started. First, log into your Outgrow dashboard. Open the content piece you want to connect with Drip. Next, click on the Configure tab and select Integrations. From the list of available integrations, find Drip and click Connect. You'll now see the Drip integration setup screen. Enter your Drip account name that you added to your Drip account. Next, you will see the Drip API key field. To find it, log into your Drip account and click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then click User Settings and scroll down until you find the API token. This token is your Drip API key. Copy the key and paste it into the Outgrow integration setup. The last field you need to complete is the Drip account ID. To find it, go to your Drip account dashboard and click the Settings button in the bottom left corner. Then click Account. Scroll down until you see the account ID. Copy the ID and paste it into the Outgrow integration setup. Finally, click the Authenticate with Drip button. Now you can select either the Proceed with Tags or Proceed with Segment option. Let's select Proceed with Segment. Here you can enable the Configure Visit Trigger option if you want to enable visit tracking. Under Visit Trigger, you have the option to track either new result or new visitor. Select the option that best suits your requirements. Now click the Proceed to Map Fields button. You will now enter the Map Fields section. Under the If condition, select the segment that you added in your Drip account. Then select the appropriate Drip tags. Under the Else condition, select the appropriate Drip tags. Finally, click Save Conditions. Your Outgrow and Drip integration is now activated. You will see a notification message that says, Integration activated. The responses from this calculator will be sent to Drip. Now, go to the Content piece and click the Publish Changes button to save the integration for this interactive quiz. Next, it's time to test whether the lead form is working properly. Open the live URL of the content piece and complete all the quiz questions. On the results page, enter a test name and a test email address, then submit the form to verify that the data is being recorded in Drip. Now open the Drip dashboard and click on the People button. Then click on Saved Segments and select the segment name. Here you can view your sample email record. As you can see, the sample email has been successfully recorded in Drip. That's it! You've successfully connected Outgrow with Drip and automated your lead collection process. Ready to capture and nurture leads automatically? Start your free Outgrow trial today and integrate it with Drip to create a seamless lead generation and a marketing automation workflow. Start your 7-day free trial